Let's translate these sentences and solve. A number, we'll use n, subtracted from means it is being taken away from 20, so I need to have the 20 before the n. So n is subtracted from 20 is equal to 3 times that number, the same one we already indicated, which was n. To solve this problem, we have n's on both sides of the equation. So we would add n, and now we have 20 is equal to 4n. N's not alone, it's multiplied by 4, so we will multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 4, the reciprocal. We now have 5 is equal to n. Let's see if that makes sense. A number subtracted from 20. If 5 is subtracted from 20, we get 15, and that's equal to 3 times the number. The number was 5, 3 times 5 is 15. Find a number such that negative 64 is 12 more than 4 times the number. So I want a number such that, so this is just setting it up, there's nothing to write for this, that negative 64 is, again, is our equal sign, 12 more than means to add, 4 times something, a number. That number that we want you to find. N. So solving this equation, to get n alone, we will add a negative 12 to both sides of the equation. That leaves us with negative 76 is equal to 4 times n. Since n is not alone, 4 is still multiplied to it. We'll multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 4, the reciprocal. Multiplying a negative to a negative is positive. 4 goes into 76 19 times is equal to n. So our number is 19. If 6 is added to the quotient of a number and 3, the result is 1. They want you to find the number. So we're going to start here. 6 is. Now this is not the equal sign, because if you continue reading, is added. We wouldn't say equals added. So we're going to do some adding. The word quotient means to divide. We're going to write that as a fraction. A number came first, so we'll write n on top, and 3 we'll write on the bottom. The result is, now this is the equal sign, 1. So if we're going to try and get n alone, we'll add a negative 6 to both sides of the equation, getting rid of the furthest thing first. That leaves us with n over 3 is equal to a negative 5. We're still trying to get n alone, so we'll multiply both sides of the equation by 3. I'm running out of room here, but I'll try and squeeze this in. N is equal to negative 15.